Hey, Robert Abear here. Hey, we're going to talk about some responsive issues with Wix Studio. We're going to talk about some common mistakes and how to fix them. So right now, I just added a quick little title, paragraph text, button, and an image here, in a section that has two cells split, and I have the image just sitting in that cell all by itself. So here, I don't have this in a stack or anything. But if we go and drag in our handlebars, you will see the smaller we get this down, the text becomes illegible. So we're going to go ahead and fix that now. So with text, there is scaling. So right now, if I click on it, you see font size 63. Well, let's go ahead and say 63 is a good font size that we want to use. So we're going to go ahead and put that. But we're going to go ahead and set a minimum of 30 pixels so it'll only get as small as 30 pixels. Now for this, it's 23. Let's just say we like 23. 23. And now let's maybe only have it go down to 18. 18 pixels. And now the button. Remember the button shrinking the way that it did? See, now the text looks good, but the button looks bad. So for that, we can go ahead and change the responsive behavior to fixed, and now you'll see the items stay the same size, but they'll start to like overlap and look weird. So you see that? How the button stayed the same size. Now let's say we want to stop that overlapping. We can select all the elements, shift click, and you can do a stack, and now you'll see that the stack has its spacing is set here, which you can adjust. So you can actually adjust the spacing to whatever you want. Let's just say I want that to be 25 and this to be 25. And now let's go ahead and bring it in. And everything is staying stacked now. Now let's go ahead and we can actually align our stack, select the whole thing. We can actually put it right in the middle of our cell, and then it'll stay there. Now I'm going to show you the next problem that we're going to run into. Okay. It's going to be when we get to tablet, it starts to look silly. When we get to mobile, that's just not going to work. So what we're going to do is once we get to the tablet setting, we're going to go ahead and select our section. And we're going to change it from columns to rows. And now we can adjust what we have here. And you can drag the cells however you like to make it make sense. And you could flip them even. You can do different stuff. So if you grab a cell, you can actually swap it with the other one by grabbing it in the corner. And now if we look at the mobile looks a little messed up. So let's fix it. So now let's go all the way back here and take a look at something. So right now I have these items in a stack, but we have fixed width set up for them. So here we can turn on the advanced sizing. We can set this to 100%, which is 100% of the stack. We can change this to 100%, and then we don't have to do anything with the button. So now as we go in here, these are set to 100%. The button is not happy. But our stack is still set to also a fixed width. So we will change our whole stack to be a percentage. So right now it's 61.5. But as we get smaller, let's maybe change that to like 90. So now we have 90 set up. We can go ahead and change the spacing in the stack to be whatever we like. And now you see how things are pushed up against the edges here. If we go back to this breakpoint, click on our stack, we can come over here to the margins. Let's go ahead and align this to center. We can actually come and we can add like 5% to the top and bottom, and that'll carry over through the breakpoints. So now if I go here and I go here, now we have 5%. Now it could be less because it does try to scale your elements as you go. So, just 5% looks a little bit different. So maybe I'll do 10% on mobile. And then maybe on mobile, I'll actually center these items using the toolbar. Maybe center this text. Maybe center this text as well. And now you have something that is responsive and friendly for your page. Thank you so much. I hope this helped you. I know we went really quick, but feel free to go back, pause it, check and see what I did. This is just a quick go at a section, getting items to be responsive and how to do that, how to use stacks, how to use cells, how to use fixed width for your buttons, how to set percentage widths, how to turn on advanced sizing. So yeah, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. My email is robert@robertabearmedia.com. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel, and we'll keep making more content like this, and hopefully that'll help you in the future. Thank you so much. Have a good one.